Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having a wonderful, amazing day today. Today we are doing a Temu haul. One of my favorites, my all-time favorites, Temu. Finding good stuff, finding bad stuff. There's some random things in here, some good. One thing I'm not too impressed with, so we're going to get that right out of the way first. But first, I have a coupon code for you on Temu. If you want some very affordable prices over there, you're going to go on the Temu app. In the search bar, type in ACS 669757. Again, it's ACS 669757. That is a Temu code you're going to use in the search bar to get some amazing prices. I've even used it myself, so I know it works. If it doesn't work, I apologize. There are terms and conditions to all of the codes that we give out. So, yeah. Anyway, let's just get right into this haul. Hey, you guys. So this first item, you know how you just kind of hope that something's gonna... I've come to the conclusion that some things are either a winner or a loser in Temu world. This one I was hoping would be somewhat decent. I'm going to put the price up on the screen because I don't have it written down here. What this is a decor piece. You hang this up on your wall, okay? And then flags sit in here. So it's like a spread of American flags. Now, in the picture, they were kind of tea stained. These ones are not. And that's what I'm not impressed with is the flags. This is metal. I think. It feels like metal. If it's not metal, I don't know. It definitely kind of feels like it. Yeah, I think it is. I'm probably going to take the flags they gave me and tea stain them and make them look a little bit older. You know, at least they're double-sided. I'll give it that. But I kind of wanted to see some aging, like down into here. But this hangs on your wall. I'll try and put a picture up too. And then these flags are going to sit in here like this. Okay, like so. And there's 5 flags, you know. And it creates like a little banner of flags. Now, like I said, these are, you know, the flags are a little on the cheesy side. But I think if I tea stain them and like stain these, then I think it will look actually pretty decent. So we're going to do that. But again, I'll put the price up on the screen for this. You know, I mean, okay. But it just didn't really look like the picture. And so I'm a little bit iffy about that. But, you know. You win some, you lose some. Okay, so next up, I'll put the price up for this too, because this came in its own package yesterday. I wanted this, like, material kind of paper for, some junk journaling, and it seemed like it would be kind of cool. Now, there's a few different pieces in here. It says 16 pieces. I don't know how they come up with 16 pieces. It doesn't, sure as heck doesn't look like 16 pieces. Let's see here. 1, 2,
a few
3.
moments later.
Maybe there's 2 here. 12, 13, 14. Some of them are really stuck together. So there probably is 16 pieces here, but it's just like some textured fabrics. And then you get 2 of these. I just thought they'd be kind of cool in some like junk journals. This one has snowflakes on it, so maybe that'll be pretty in a winter one. It looks like there's 2 of like everything, maybe. I'm not sure. There's only 2 pieces here, I think. It's kind of the same. It's just like textured. This one, there's probably 2 here. So there's that. And then there's 2 pieces of this. And then there's like 2 or 3 of these. They're very hard to pull apart. Very, you know, like there's probably 2 pieces here. Yeah. This is literally just tissue paper. So there might be 16 pieces here. So that's fine. I mean, they're just all kinds of different textured papers to use in journals, or you can put these behind photos, maybe in like a photo album or something. That would be pretty. So yeah, just paper material package of various materials. That's all those are. So those are going to be for some junk journaling. Okay, and then let's see what's in here. Okay, so I thought this was like really cute. It was $2.65. It's 3D printed. It's a 3D printed like octopus. And what you do with this is like when you're finished with a cup, like I use a certain cup like every day, every morning. So you wash it out and then you can just sit it on top of this. And it's got some like little nubs right here. But yeah, it's a 3D printed octopus. But you just sit your cup on here and then, you know, it'll air dry. So I don't know. I thought it was kind of cute. Little pink octopus. I thought it was adorable. So we'll use that. And okay, let's see what this is here. Okay, so I'm like obsessed with these spoons that have sayings on them. This one was $2.45. I just think they're kind of cool. Like you pull it out of your drawer and you go to stir your coffee or your tea with it, you know, and it's just kind of like got a cute saying on it. So this one is $2.45. I saw they had some like Halloween ones too, but that was after I bought these. This one says, "But first Jesus," and I honestly don't even know if you could see it on there because of the glare probably. And then this one says, "Pray, wait." It says, "Pray, trust, wait, repeat." And the repeat's really tiny with a heart beside it. But this one was $2.19. But I just thought, I know that's a lot for like one spoon, but I just kind of like that they have sayings on them, you know? But anyway, you probably can't even see them. It's really hard to tell. I don't know, you guys. Anyway, I thought they were kind of fun. All right, then I have this eyeshadow brush. Like, I've been trying to do my eyeshadow, but I am really bad at eyeshadow. I need to take a couple lessons from somebody. I used to be good at eyeshadow, but I haven't worn eyeshadow in such a long time, and I've been wearing eyelashes. So, you know, I think I got this. Yeah, it was $1.43, so pretty cheap. It's just an extra eyeshadow brush for me, but the reason I liked it is because it has this really kind of dense, pointy end, and then like a more fluffier end. So that's why I wanted it. So this side will be really good for getting like in the, you know, in the crease area and stuff. So I'm going to take that up and put that on my makeup desk upstairs. All right. Then we have this for $2.47. What is in here? Oh, it looks like a pair of earrings. Ooh, these are pretty. They're stars. Now, I bought a star necklace not too long ago, and I'm sorry if I'm shaking the table. It was like, I think it had, I'm not sure if there was beads, but then it dropped down into a star. So I thought these would look really cute with it. It was a few hauls back. But yeah, these were $2.47. They're just gold metal stars. I thought they were really cute. So that's what the nice size. Yeah, those are cute. And I like the color of gold too. It doesn't look like super cheap. So yeah, I like those. Okay. All right, nails. I'm finally hauling a set of nails, you guys. Wow. So these were $2.23, and I get so jealous when I see girls wear longer nails. MJ over at the Dixie Gypsy, please check her out. She wears some nice long nails, and they look beautiful on her. And I don't know. I just can't get into it. Like I can't type. I couldn't even do anything. These are actually a little bit on the long side for me, but they're really cool because they're like textured. But yeah, they were $2.23. I think they're really pretty. They're kind of like they remind me of mermaids for some reason, even though they just have like pink on them. But I don't know. They just very summery, but yeah, they are on the long side. So this would be a pair I wouldn't have on for very long because there's no way I could work as much typing and stuff as I do. I just don't know. But I thought they were really cute. I'm going to give them a try for $2.23. And if you can hear Kermit, he's over there getting into a bag. Okay, this I bought for one of my mason jars. It was $5.46. I make my coffee every morning for myself, an iced coffee. Trying to cut back on my spending at Dunkin' or at Starbucks. Well, mine is Dunkin'. I'm a Dunky girl. So this was $5.46. It's just a lid for the top of your coffee. Like you could put this on a wide mouth mason jar and make it into a cup. But it's got this cool lid that, you know, it shuts and then it opens, you know what I mean? And then it goes like that. So I just thought this would be great to have. Since I make my own drinks out of mason, I'll usually use a mason jar or something. So yeah, so I'm gonna use that for my drinks. And then, so these I bought for work because I have actually my plants that I grow. I have them at work in my office because I don't want to keep them in the house with the cats. I don't keep any real live plants. I'm just too scared they'll eat them, especially Kermit because he has a eating issue. He likes to chew on everything and it just scares me. So I bought these grow lights, which they probably don't need because my plants are doing really well, but they were $5.40. And you just plug these into like a USB and you can hang them over your plants. Now, I don't know why they don't give you anything else, but I don't really need anything else because I'll just get one of those cords, you know, and maybe I'll get a like a power strip of some kind where I can put these at, and then I'll just hover these like over my plants somehow, maybe like hang them on the wall or something. There is like a little hole right here, but yeah, that's all it is plant lights, plant grow lights. So we'll see. But they were $5.40, but I thought, well, my plants could probably use a little bit more light where I'm at. My office has some indirect light, but not a whole lot. All right, next up, these were $1. This was $1.98. They are cloud cutters, but they are cute AF. Look at this one. It's a strawberry, and these all have like a chain on them. Now, they don't stay up, but how stinging cute. So you get a strawberry, an avocado, which look at this. How cute is that? Little avocado. That's adorable. And then you get this little carrot. I mean, they are stinking adorable. I love these. So yeah, you get the whole set of 3 for $1.98. They're just the little cutters, so you can open packages and stuff. Those are stinking cute. I love those. $1.98? Heck yeah. Super cute. Okay, next up is just, this is just a package of ephemera for junk journaling or any mixed media art. It was $2.51. To see how many pieces are in here? It just says Worn Elements Season 4. So there probably was some other patterns with this particular seller. These kind of look like labels and stuff. Hi Oscar. Oscar's down here. So this is kind of what they look like. Journal de Paris. Oh, look at this one, you guys. This one is so me. It's got like a little bumblebee. Or it's a bee with the notes. Here's 2 little birds. What's this say? I like you so, but do not know just how to tell it. But seems to me Love would be the way to spell it. That's cute. I like that. So yeah, just some different pocket. This one's like citronelle rose oil. Artisanal poison. Oh geez. Here's a little bingo card. So just some different ephemera. You know, looks like this. Kind of cool for journaling and whatnot. So I grabbed that. Thought they were cute. And they were, again, $2.51 for those. Oh, here's another spoon. I got another spoon. This one was $2.60. What is it with me and the spoons? This one says, fueled by Jesus and coffee. And like I said, I don't know if you guys can even see what that says. But it says fueled by Jesus and coffee. I like that one. I'm going to take that one upstairs. All right, this was $1.99. Okay, so I usually have some cups upstairs that are just like this, the plasticky ones. And this one I've been refilling with water over and over again. It's actually a Dunkin' cup. I reuse my cups all the time. But I also have some other cups upstairs. And this is a little thing you kind of put together, like so. It's 3 pieces. Does this screw in? No, it just kind of goes in. But if you have, like, I have a bunch of cups that are plastic and you just put them on here as, like, storage, you know what I mean? So this looks like wood, but it's not. It's not wood at all. It's just like a brown faux wood type of look. But you would, like, you know, turn these cups over and just set them on here. So I don't know. I just thought it was kind of cool to sit on my counter. Okay. And then I got this big, huge box right here. Did I put a price on this? Probably not. I'll put the price on the screen, you guys. Okay, put the price on the screen for this. These are mason jars to drink. They are not wide mouth though. They are 24 ounce. They're all for the same, but I love these. For coffee or tea or whatever. It says, drinking delicious cold drink dinnerware since 1986. That's what it says on these. But there's 4 of them. They're all the same. They're all glass. Like so. But again, I'll put the price up on the screen because I'm not sure what I paid for them. But yeah, that mason jar lid that I bought, that I put over here that I can't find now. Oh, it's right in front of me. It's for a wide mouth, and these are not wide mouth, so. But I love them anyways, so yeah. I'm going to go and put those up in my dishwasher, and we will be drinking some cold coffee out of those. Okay, everybody, that was a quick haul. So thank you guys so much for watching. My last video where I did a get ready with me, there's a giveaway in that video. So if you go back one video and watch that giveaway, I tell you how to enter. So get in on that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you use my code for Temu, you're going to go to the search bar, type in ACS 669757, get some affordable pricing on Temu, some good pricing on some things you might want. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give me a like and a subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!